All right, Max, let's see you use your handbrake. Use your pedals. Slow it down. That's it, that's it, that's it. Keep going. Maxey, you're doing really well. This may be a hard slog back up this hill. Maxey, look how good you're doing. You're riding all by yourself. Good job, Max. Okay, we're going to turn around when we get to the street. We'll turn around, Jordan. Yeah, as soon as these people passes. You got to pedal. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Look at you driving all by yourself. Maxey, stay on the right. That was my bad. Come on, follow me, Max. I think your cameraman's drunk. Follow me, baby. You're doing a great job, Max.